On Tesla's earnings call this week, Elon Musk was asked directly if Tesla and SpaceX might merge. He didn't say yes. He also didn't say no. And the way he dodged it tells you almost everything. Here's the exact moment. An analyst asked Musk if he sees value in eventually combining the companies. His answer? There's more and more overlap, especially with Terafab. That's really going to be a gigantic project. But obviously, we can't talk about combining companies on an earnings call. It's got to be done with the appropriate process. Read that again. He didn't reject the idea. He said the venue was wrong, not the idea. And here's the thing that makes this different from just another round of merger rumors. Musk has already done this exact move once this year. XAI, his AI company, was folded into SpaceX. On this same earnings call, Musk referred to it by its new name, SpaceX AI. That's not speculation anymore. That's a completed transaction. And now the same signals, more and more overlap, growing collaboration, are showing up again, this time pointed at Tesla. So what's actually driving this? Two words, Terafab. It's a joint chip manufacturing venture between Tesla and SpaceX. And Musk didn't downplay it. He called it a shared dependency. He said Tesla will be, quote, constrained in our ability to scale Optimus production without it. If you want to keep up with stories like this as they actually develop, links in the description. Now, Wall Street isn't waiting around for Musk to confirm anything. Kalshi's prediction market has this at 50-50 odds by May of next year. Gene Munster puts it at 90% within 2 years. And Dan Ives, one of the most bullish Tesla analysts out there, says 80% within the next 12 months. Why would Musk actually want this? Ownership structure. He holds over 80% of the voting shares at SpaceX. At Tesla, it's about 20%. A merger doesn't just combine two companies. It hands Musk the kind of control at Tesla that he's wanted for years, the kind where outside shareholders can't really push back. It's not without real obstacles, though. JP Morgan flags serious regulatory hurdles, especially in China, where Tesla has a major factory, and where SpaceX's deep ties to the US government could become a real complication. So here's where this actually lands. This isn't a will they or won't they anymore. Musk already ran this exact play with XAI. The language, the timing, the justification, it's the same pattern, one company later. The real question isn't if, it's just when. And what happens to $2 trillion companies once they're one? If you want to keep tracking the Musk empire as it actually consolidates, that's what this channel does. Catch you in the next one.